Hi everyone, this is Annapurni and welcome to my crochet channel. In this video we will see how to do a treble crochet stitch. So let's start. To begin with, I'm making a slip knot. Let's do some chain stitches first. Our foundation chain stitches are ready. Now we can start doing our treble crochet stitch. To begin with, we have to yarn over twice like this and insert the hook into the fifth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth chain. I'm going to do like that. Now you can see 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, just through this 2 loops. Okay, like this. Now we have 3 loops left in the hook. This time yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops only. Next 2 loops, okay? So this time we have 2 loops left in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, this is the first treble crochet. We can do the next. Yarn over twice like this. Then insert the hook into the next stitch. You will have 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. So now you have 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Next is yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is the second treble crochet stitch. We can do few more stitches like this. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This is how you will make treble crochet stitches. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting! Bye!